go. So I'm opening this thing up and found the instructions. I know that once you place these in there and you put the pin through, you need to measure with a feeler gauge, but I don't know what the distances should be. So that'll be step one. Actually, step one's going to be pulling the spider gears out. Once the spider gears are out, we will make sure all of the spacers and washers are removed. Then these will go in without any washers. Then we'll stick this in as a test run, and we will check the gap in between the pin and the metal here is the first measurement. Then we will, if that checks out, pull the pin back out. Then we stick the center pieces in, and then once everything is back together, we measure the distance. Let's just open these up. These go together. So then once it's installed, it'll be something like that. Then we will check the gap in between. That's actually exactly backwards. There we go. We'll check the gap in between there. So the pin will be right in here. These two will be together, and then we'll check this gap right here. So that's what's coming up. Looks like it's going to start raining, so I might have to put a pause on this project for a few minutes.